On open plains where the land meets the sky, a giant walks. The ostrich, Earth's fastest bird. Wings that cannot fly, legs that rule the ground. Built to run, born to survive. At 70 kilometers an hour, he outruns danger itself. Eyes placed high, watching far, nothing moves unnoticed. Eyes placed high, watching far, nothing moves unnoticed.
They live together, many eyes watching, safety in numbers.
Ostrich. When running fails, one kick can stop a lion. They say he hides his head in fear, but it's only a myth.
Ostrich. From the largest eggs on Earth, fragile life begins.
Every step makes them stronger, every run a lesson. He cannot fly the skies, but he rules the land below.